Automated systems organize products for efficient distribution.
Forklifts move pallets through the warehouse with precision.
Specialized equipment gently removes the potatoes while separating excess soil. Only healthy potatoes are collected for food production. Farmers play a key role in ensuring quality from the very start. Once harvested, the potatoes are prepared for transport. The harvested potatoes are loaded for transport. Careful loading prevents damage during the journey. From the farm, the potatoes begin their journey to the factory. Speed and efficiency ensure freshness is preserved. Now the potatoes arrive at the Lay's production facility. Everything starts with carefully selected fresh potatoes. Each potato is visually inspected before entering the process. Only potatoes that meet strict standards move forward. Advanced systems ensure uniform size and quality. Now the potatoes are ready for cleaning.
Once inside the factory, the potatoes are thoroughly washed to remove soil and debris.
High-pressure water systems clean each potato evenly. After washing, the potatoes move forward completely clean. The clean potatoes now enter the peeling process. Their skins are carefully removed, using controlled abrasion. Only perfectly peeled potatoes continue through the line.
Operators continuously monitor the process to maintain quality.
A final rinse ensures the potatoes are ready for slicing.
Now the potatoes move on to slicing.
The cleaned potatoes are now sliced into thin, uniform pieces.
Specialized slicers cut each potato with extreme accuracy.
Every slice is designed to be the same thickness. Automated systems check slice thickness in real time.
Slices that do not meet standards are automatically removed.
Only uniform slices move on to cooking. Operators ensure every slice meets exact specifications. A brief rinse removes excess surface starch. Now the slices are ready to be cooked. Next, the potato slices are cooked in carefully controlled hot oil.
The frying process removes moisture and creates the signature crunch.
Precise timing and temperature are critical at this stage.
Automated systems continuously monitor the frying conditions. Excess oil is removed before the chips continue.
Air systems help achieve the perfect texture. Experienced operators ensure every batch meets standards.
Now the chips are ready to be seasoned. After frying, the chips move into the seasoning process. The chips are gently tumbled to prepare them for seasoning.
Exact amounts of seasoning are added for consistent taste.
Rotation ensures every chip is evenly coated. Operators carefully control flavor intensity.
Once seasoned, the chips are ready for final inspection.
Visual checks ensure even seasoning coverage. Now the chips are ready to be packaged. After seasoning, the chips move to the packaging stage.
Each portion is precisely weighed to ensure consistency. The chips are carefully transferred into the packaging system.
The iconic Lay's bags are formed on the production line. Each bag is sealed to lock in freshness. Automated checks verify weight and seal quality. Any bag that does not meet standards is removed. The finished products are prepared for distribution. Now the chips are ready to be shipped worldwide.
Once packaged, the chips are stored in a controlled warehouse environment.
Automated systems organize products for efficient distribution.
Forklifts move pallets through the warehouse with precision. Orders are prepared for shipment to distribution centers.
From here, Lay's chips begin their journey to stores worldwide.
Each shipment is carefully secured for transport. Lay's chips are now on their way to consumers.
This completes the journey from farm to finished product.